Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another tin potato video, but we're not going to be air frying it this time. We're going to be using these new potatoes that I've got in Tesco's, about 40 pence, and we're going to be pan frying them in a wok. Okay, as you probably already know, the tin potatoes are already cooked. I've drained them in this little colander here. Now we need to put them on some paper towel and get rid of any moisture. And here they are. We've got the paper towel, just gonna absorb as much moisture as we can. And then we're gonna get them into the wok. You can see quite a bit of moisture on these. They've been soaked in water in the can. Okay, let's get prepped. Okay, so let's get the heat on. We're going to go for a sort of medium heat. We're going to be frying these little babies. And what we're going to be doing is using some of this Lurpak garlic butter and some rosemary. These are going to taste so good. So we're going to be using about half of that block, the garlic butter. And we're also going to sprinkle in some of the rosemary. I'm just going to put it on top of the butter there. And then we're just going to give it a bit of a stir. Let's get that butter all melted up. Get it sizzling. Once this is all melted, we'll chuck in the tin potatoes. And there we are. Sizzling away. Let's chuck these in. I'm going to give them a bit of a stir, coat up in all that garlic butter and the rosemary. Give it all a stir up. Hear that sizzling away? The smell is absolutely gorgeous. And what we're going to do is, because they're already cooked, all we're going to be doing is just browning them off and getting some of that lovely garlic butter and rosemary flavours into the potatoes. So give them another stir. You can really hear the sizzle now. These are great as a sort of side dish. Getting a little bit of colour on them now, which is good. Now, tin potatoes are a bit of a talking point sometimes. A lot of people hate them. A lot of people love them. I love them. Used to love these as a child. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of tin potatoes. I know the tin's only about 40 pence, but this is more for convenience really. It is obviously cheaper to buy some real potatoes and cook them yourself, but how easy is this? And hopefully you guys will be liking and subscribing. It's free to do. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more future videos. You can see this, look at all this garlic butter soaking these potatoes. Total cooking time is probably going to be about 4 or 5 minutes. Give them another stir. These are going to taste amazing. Great if you're having like a salad or something. Have these as like a sort of side dish. You can do these in a saucepan or a wok like I have. And I think that is about it. We're going to leave the cooking now. I'll turn these off and I'll get these into a bowl and give them a taste. And here we have them. These gorgeous tin potatoes. I'm just going to try half of one of them. They do smell amazing. Oh, sorry, they're hot. They are absolutely amazing. And here they are. I'm going to have the other half of that potato. Still hot, really hot. It tastes so good. If you like the video, please hit that like button Leave any comments down below. Tell me what you think of tin potatoes and various ways of cooking them. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.